President ajja kussaako kimuli eri eggwanga
kituufu
bw'anaamaliriza
tulabe ekirala kigenda mu maaso.
Okay.
Bw'anaamaliriza ne tulaba
Vice President wa Uganda, retired Major Jessica Alupo Epel, amaze okuganzika ekimuli ku keesi ya Tamale Mirundi.
Omubaka wa Parliament owa district ey'e Katakwi. Omukyala.
MP ow'e Katakwi.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Sirikirire tuwulirize obubaka bwa Her Excellency.
Vice President agenda kwogerera eri waggulu, tagenda kujja wano. Kale muwulirize. Naye nsaba abamawulire abantu bano balwa nnyo okulaba ku bantu abo mukkamu ne mubawo omukisa ogubalabako ne babeetegereza.
Honorable Haruna Kasoro, Minister of State, Minister of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, the Honorable Balam Bahare, Minister of State for Youth and Children Affairs,
Madame
Luce Nachobe, Head of Service and Secretary to the Secretary to Cabinet, the honorable members of Parliament present, the former Deputy Chief Justice Stephen Kavuma, the Right Reverend Bakubanja, Bishop of West Buganda Orthodox Church, the RCCs, the RDCs, presidential advisors present, the chairperson LOC5 and all your councillors and mayors. Most importantly, and in a special way, the bereaved family of Tamale Joseph Mirundi, the House of Prayer Ministries led by Pastor Aloysius Bujingo, all the security chiefs present, senior government officials, and in a special way staff from the President's Office and State House, the media fraternity, all of you dear mourners, ladies and gentlemen. Mbala Musisa Mwena, His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abasaside okufiirwa Tamale Mirundi. Ate Mama Janet Kataha Museveni abasaside. Kitalo nnyo okufiirwa mutabani waffe Tamale Joseph Mirundi. Tusabe Katonda Tamale Mirundi mumwaze mirembe. His Excellency President Museveni aweereza obubaka obuwandize era kambusome. I'm going to read for you the message of His Excellency, the President. To the family of the late Joseph Tamale Mirundi, it was with sadness that I received the news announcing the death of Tamale Mirundi, who was at one time my press secretary and NRM ideologue. On behalf of government, on behalf of the NRM party, and on my own behalf, I extend heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family and the entire country. Tamale Mirundi had become a household name because of his brave and truthful commentary on current affairs in the country and abroad. He was a self-styled and independent-minded public intellectual who attracted a big following, especially on the social media and in the mainstream media. He was very articulate and passionate about issues of governance, fighting corruption and service delivery, fairness and equality, etc. His analysis of national issues reflected objectivity and patriotism. Therefore, the country has lost a social philosopher and media guru. As the NRM party, his death has robbed us of a dedicated cadre. Cadres act as priests of the political organization because they internalize the ideology of the political organization and, most importantly, convey it to others. You cannot have a pope with followers but without priests, bishops, etc. Therefore, Tamale Mirundi can be equated to a priest within the NRM party. He was able to articulate our four principles ideology, which is anchored on patriotism, Pan-Africanism, socio-economic transformation, and democracy. Finally, I commiserate with the children and the entire family of the late Tamale Joseph Mirundi. In this hour of grief, I want you to know that the NRM is a big clan. We shall stand with you in the absence of your family head and breadwinner. I urge the children to take inspiration from your father's great legacy. We shall all die in the end. There is no other destination. The difference is some die after a dishonorable or stale life. Tamale Mirundi is not with us today. He departed from us after a distinguished service to his motherland. All of us who are associated with him must be proud of his memory, and the sense of bereavement should not diminish this. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President, 18th August 2024. Allow me also to pledge that the requests which have been made here will be relayed to His Excellency the President. And together with the members of Parliament present and all ministers, we shall return the responses from His Excellency the President. There were requests made by family, including supporting the publishing company of the magazine. I have also noted the request to establish and operationalize a taxi park in the land which the deceased had created for that purpose. I have also noted a request from the family for His Excellency the President to meet you as a family, but also a special request from the Mkeikuru, the 97-year-old mother of Joseph Tamale Mirundi, who also wishes to share with His Excellency the President. And the final one, when government begins stomaching Masaka, Rakai, Mutukula Road, a stretch should be extended this side to about 3 kilometers so that it can capture this village, and it stands as a legacy for Tamale Mirundi. We shall request His Excellency the President to direct the Minister of Works and Transport to expedite that request. For the people of Rakai, the Greater Massacre, His Excellency the President will soon be visiting all of you again. He will be coming to visit you together with all other areas of Uganda to check on our household incomes and projects. I heard the people clapping for the Minister for Emioga. The President is coming to check on it across the whole country. We, the leaders, will be coming with His Excellency the President. And specifically me, who got this name in Rakai here. My name is called Nangobi when I'm in Uganda. Nze Nangobi, njakuda eno, mbasabe okuwogira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mukalulu ka 2026. When we come for those tours is when we shall discuss more. But for today, we are here to pray for the soul of our departed brother, and I would like also to add that may his soul rest in eternal peace. His Excellency the President asked me to extend 10 million Uganda shillings to the family. I request that you identify for me the responsible authority within the family who will come and take the message, or who I will hand over to the message together with the envelope of 10 million Uganda shillings.
John welekera kutata sali. Family egenda wa Vice President okufuna obubaka obw'enjawulo
okuva
family
eri Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. General yaganyuka. Omukulu agambye nti bagenda kwogera ne President okulaba nga kilomita zinesatu ez'oluguudo zikolebwa okubatuukako banaaba bakola oluguudo olugenda e Masaka. Ekyo bw'atyo bw'ayogedde.
All right. Vice President wamala okukwasa obubaka family, tujja kuyimirira tuyimbe ennyimba z'eggwanga, reverse order.
Let's get standing for the hymns.
Tujja kuserengeta nga tukulembera kwaya mu St. Francis ne mwami Katama
tuyimbe luyimba lw'eggwanga.
Kale tulidinge mu luyimba lw'eggwanga.
Ennyimba z'eggwanga bw'ozikubye mu order gy'omanyi yangu yako.